Text Antonio Ancona, professor i automationstteknik, inriktning, kontroll och inspektion av tillverkningsprocesser. Nedanför texten finns en illustration av en liggande guldgren utan löv. Mot den ljusgråa bakgrunden rör sig ljusa hexagoner sakta över bilden. Högskolan Västs logotyp är placerad i översta högra hörnet och är formad som en havsvåg av fyllda små cirklar i guld. Antonio Ancona är placerad framför den ljusa bakgrunden. Filmen är i svartvit.
When I was a student at the master program in physics and I studied laser technology and I saw the first laser in action, I thought, wow, this is something really exciting that I would like to understand and maybe I would like to work with. My research is about further developing the laser-based production technologies like laser welding or laser-based additive manufacturing for the manufacturing industry, trying to develop sensors and automatic control system to improve robustness and productivity of these processes. So if you develop a smart sensor and control system that are able to reduce defects in production, you will save materials, you will save energy, and thus reduce costs for the industry. And this will have a double benefit, both for the environment, but also for the competitiveness of the companies. When I'm teaching students and I am able to grasp their attention and their interest and they learn about this technology and I saw afterwards that make use of this learning for their career or bringing their knowledge outside the university in the companies, this really brings me a lot of energy.
Text Akademisk högtid. En skimrande animerad guldgren utan löv är formad likt en hästsko runt den guldfärgade texten.